Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto YouTube channel. Inside this video, I will show you step by step how to transfer, how to withdraw, how to deposit your Pi coin to BitGet exchange. In the previous video, I show you how to deposit Pi coin to the OKX exchange. But unfortunately, there are some users, they cannot use OKX exchange. Even I can say in some countries, you cannot use OKX exchange. OKX exchange is not available in some countries. So don't worry about that because now we have the option of BitGet exchange. So that's why I will show you how to deposit your Pi coin to the BitGet exchange and then you can sell it, you can hold it. So make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about the Pi network, Crystal project, meme coin, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So okay guys, as you know, PiCo team officially announced the launching of Open Mainnet. After that, there are some exchanges. They officially announced the listing of PiCoin, like we have OKX, BitGet, we have Bitrue, Lbank, and many more exchanges. So at the current instant, if you check CoinMarketCap, so in CoinMarketCap you can see OKX is the first exchange to list Picoin. So that's why in the previous video I show you how to deposit Picoin to the OKX exchange. If still you did not watch the video and then you are just looking for how to deposit your Picoin to the OKX exchange, make sure to watch the previous video as the link is in I button. So later on, you can see BitGet Exchange. This is, I can say, one of the top exchange in the crypto market. So BitGet Exchange also announced the listing of Pi Network. So that's why inside this video, even I can say inside this article, we will see how to deposit Pi coin to the BitGet Exchange. Even in the previous video, I show you the price prediction given by BitGet Exchange. If still you did not watch the video, so make sure watch the video as the link is in I button. Okay, so inside this video you can see selling Pi coins, a simple guide for beginners. Okay, so you can see some information about the Pi network, what is Pi network, even how Pi network works. You can see, this is the mining project. Even make sure to complete your KYC, even token migration. So further, if I show you, yeah, you can see in here how to sell Pi coins once listed, a step-by-step guide. Of course, on 20 February 2025 at UTC, we will see the listing of Pi coin inside the BitGet exchange. And then on 21st February, you can withdraw your Pi coin from the BitGet exchange. So the point is in here, how to deposit your Pi coin to the BitGet exchange in order to be ready for the listing, in order to be ready for selling your coin, in order to book your profit. Of course, some users will book their profit. Some users will sell Pi coin. Okay, so the first step is to register a BitGet account. If you don't have any BitGet account, make sure to create a BitGet account as the link is in the description. Click on the link, create a BitGet account. Once you create BitGet account, make sure to complete your KYC. Make sure to verify your BitGet account. Inside the OKX exchange, the same thing. You have to complete your KYC. You have to verify your OKX account. But OKX is not available inside some countries. So some users, they cannot access to the OKX exchange. So don't worry about that because now you can use BitGet account. Now you can use BitGet exchange. So the first thing is to create a BitGet account and then verify your BitGet account. So the second step is simply, you can see the screenshot. This is the screenshot. So once you create BitGet account, make sure click on the deposit option or you can click add fund. Once you click on that, make sure to select Pi coin from here. You can see select a coin. Make sure to select Pi coin and then for the network, select Pi network and then you will get your deposit address. After you can see the screenshot. This is the screenshot, a complete screenshot. Pi coin, Pi network, your wallet address. So once you get your wallet address, make sure to copy the wallet address. Once you copy the wallet address, make sure to go to your Pi wallet. Also, you can see in here. Open the Pi network application and navigate to your wallet. So inside the Pi wallet, you need to paste your wallet address. You need to paste the BitGet deposit wallet address and then you can withdraw your Pi coin from the Pi wallet to the BitGet action. You can transfer it. You can deposit the Pi coin from the Pi wallet to the BitGet exchange using the deposit address. This is your BitGet deposit address. Again, if you face any problem, let me know in the comment section. But I recommend you for the first time deposit one Pi coin. Deposit one Pi coin and then see whether you will receive it or no. If you get it, and then you can transfer your further Pi coin. But there are some users, they are saying that we will not deposit, we will not sell our Pi coin, we will hold it for the long term. It's up to you whether you want to hold it, whether you want to sell it. But what I am saying, at least book some profit. At least book some profit because after a huge pump, we will see a correction. So in that time, do not regret why I did not sell at the top. So at least book some profit, but make sure to hold some of the pipeline for the long term. It will give you profit. You can use it in the real life. Businesses will accept Pi as a payment method. Even in the future, there will be Binance listing, there will be Bybit listing, Coinbase listing, KuCoin listing. Of course, at the current stage, Bybit said that we will not list Bitcoin, but I am sure after a few, I can say after a month, after a few months, they will list the Bitcoin because of the holders, because of the volume, because of the market cap. They will list it inside the Bybit exchange. So this is a step by step. Very easy step how to deposit your Pi coin to the BitGet exchange. The thing is, the same thing you can apply in here, like in the OKEx video, I told you how to just transfer your Pi coin from the Pi wallet to the OKEx exchange. So the same step you can use in here. Only exchange is different. Only your wallet is different. Simply use your BitGet deposit address instead of OKEx address. So and then step three, place a sell order. So you can just place a sell order at the value of $100, at the value of $200, at the value of $300, even $1,000. So this is what whenever Pi coin reach the your limit, your sell limit, so automatically your Pi coin will sell and then you will get USDT. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Even you can see in here we have Pi airdrop on the BitGet. So deposit and trade to win a share of 60,000 Pi coin. To celebrate the listing of Pi, BitGet is hosting an airdrop event where participants can win a share of 60,000 in Pi by completing simple tasks from February 14 to March 3. So you can view all the details if I show you. This is all the detail in here. You can see 14 days remaining. So, after 3 days, we will see the listing of the pipeline. So this is all the task you can see. 3 USDT worth of Pi 1, KYC verification, net deposit task. You can see there is some task. You have to complete it in order to get the pipeline as an airdrop. The trading task you can see in here. And then this is the rule. Make sure to check it, like the KYC, the deposit, the trading. This is all. I can see the timing, even everything in here. You can see all the detail. Make sure to check it yourself. This is the note and then the total price pool. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. This is all about how to deposit your Pi coin to the BitGet exchange. Smash the like button to me while tap high. If you still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up in here till the next video. Goodbye. See you.